Let's solve this maths Olympiad problem together, which read y to the power of y equals to 3 to the power of y plus 9, and we are looking for the possible value for y. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics. So let's see how we can solve this nice Olympiad maths problem. So we can see solution. Okay. Write the question, which says y to the power of y, okay, is equals to 3 to the power of y plus 9. Okay, since we have this, from here we are going to apply a rule which says we are having a to the power of m plus n, okay, is equals to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So if we put this principle here, we have this to be y to the power of y equals to 3 to the power of y times 3 to the power of 9. Okay, so what then is the next thing? The next thing we can do is to divide both sides of the equation by 3 to the power of y. So if you divide both sides of the equation by 3 to the power of y, we have this to be y to the power of y over 3 to the power of y is equals to 3 to the power of 9. Okay, having done this, what then is our next step? So at this left hand side, we are going to apply a rule which says if you're having a to the power of c over b to the power of c is also equals to a over b all to the power of c. So this rule, we apply it at this left hand side. So we are going to have this to be y over 3. Okay, y is common here, so we can bring it out to the power of y is equals to 3 to the power of 9. Okay, what then is the next step? Okay, the next thing we can do is to take the power of both sides by 1 over 3. So if we should do that, we are going to say y over 3, okay, close the bracket, all to the power of y times 1 over 3, okay, equals to 3 to the power of 9 times 1 over 3. Okay, so from here we are going to have y over 3, okay, all to the power of y over 3, okay, equals to 3 to the power of 9 over 3. Okay, so we've done this, which implies we are going to have y over 3, okay, all to the power of y over 3, okay, equals to so 3 here 1, 3 here is going to give us 3, so we are having 3 all to the power of 3. So from here we can compare that y over 3 is same thing as this base number and y over 3 is same thing as this power number. So by comparison we can say y over 3 is equals to 3. So from here we can say y is equals to 3 times 3. Okay, so therefore our y is equals to 9. So this is the value for y. So therefore our y in this challenge is equals to 9. So we want to substitute the value of y into our previous question to see whether we are accurate. So the question reads y to the power of y equals to 3 to the power of y plus 9. Remember, we see our y is equals to 9. So from here we can say 9 to the power of 9 is equals to 3 to the power of 9 plus 9. Okay, which implies our 9 to the power of 9 is equals to 3 to the power of 18. Okay, 3 to the power of 18. So if we should come here and solve further, so we are now having 9 to the power of 9 is equals to 3 to the power of 18. Okay, we can write 18 is equals to 2 times 9. Okay, so we can say 9 to the power of 9, which is equals to 3 to the power of 2 times 9. Okay, so we can write this again, because if you are having a to the power of m times n is equals to a to the power of m or to n. So if we put this through here, we have this to be 9 to the power of 9 is equals to 3 to the power of 2 or to 3 to the power of 2 or to 9. Okay, and 3 to the power of 2 is going to give us 9, so we're having 9 to the power of 9, and we're having 9 put in this to the power of 9. So the value of y in this challenge is correct. Recall our y is equals to 9. Okay, if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Thank you once again, and see you in my subsequent video. Bye bye.